Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Stripe webhooks to a Node.js API step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a Node.js environment set up on your machine. Open your terminal and create a new directory for your project. Navigate to that directory using the command line. Initialize a new Node.js project by running npm init-y. Install the necessary packages by executing npm install express body parser. Create a new file named server.js in your project directory. Open server.js in your preferred code editor. Require the express and body parser modules at the top of the file. Set up an instance of express by calling the express function. Use body parser to parse JSON incoming requests by calling app.use bodyparser.json. Define a route for handling post requests to the webhook endpoint. In that route, log the received data using console.log req-body. Set the response status to 200, indicating that the webhook was received successfully. Now, you need to expose your local server to the internet. Install a tool like ngrok by downloading it from the official website. After installation, run ngrok http 3000 in your terminal, where 3000 is your server's port. Copy the HTTPS URL that ngrok provides. Log into your Stripe account and navigate to the Developers section. Choose Webhooks from the menu and click on Add Endpoint. Paste the ngrok URL followed by your endpoint route, such as /webhook. Select the events you want to listen to from the list provided by Stripe. Save the webhook endpoint. Return to your code editor and run the server using the command node server.js. Test the webhook by triggering an event in Stripe associated with your selected events. Check your terminal to see if the logs are displaying the received data. Adjust any code logic based on the data received as needed for your application. Now, you have successfully connected Stripe webhooks to your Node.js API. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.